Here's where it goes crazy for everybody with my view. Jeff and I have had the same opinion for quite some time about some carrier-based type things. At my carrier, there's nothing in the contract which specifically states that if I use their it does say if I use their insurance, I have to use their camera. And Jeff and I used to argue though, but because they were trying to coach contractors, they're like, "Hey, we got an event on you, and we need to talk about this thing." And Jeff and I were very adamant about, well, you can't coach us. You're stepping over a line.
We don't work for you, so no.
I have recently changed my stance and perspective of that. Jeff has not, which is fine. And here's my argument. And when we did that, I think over time it's become more common, actually now, and a lot easier to get your own insurance outside of the carrier. You know, if you're not contractually bound to have that insurance, then why do that if, you don't like what comes along with that? And my argument now is you are you're making a conscious decision to pay for that corporate-backed insurance program. For whatever reason, you're making that choice. Along with that, you know that you have to have one of their cameras. And here's where it goes crazy for everybody with my view. I believe now that by accepting their insurance and their camera, that you are also accepting their coaching. And you should be open to it. And if you're not, switch your insurance. But why aren't you switching your insurance?